Imagine scrolling through Instagram. You're casually flipping through posts, liking pictures, and watching stories. Suddenly, you come across a post that catches your eye. You see a teenager lounging on a beach, laptop in hand. The sun is shining, the waves are gently crashing, and it looks like the perfect day. The caption reads, "Living my dream life thanks to passive income." It's a scene that seems almost too good to be true. It's easy to get swept up in the allure of making money while you sleep. The idea of earning without constant effort is incredibly tempting. Social media is filled with stories like this, promising financial freedom with minimal effort. Influencers and entrepreneurs often share their success stories, showcasing luxurious lifestyles funded by passive income streams. But is it really that simple? Can anyone just start making money effortlessly? The reality is often more complex than these posts suggest. The truth is, passive income is attainable, but it's not about instant riches or effortless wealth. It usually requires significant upfront effort, planning, and sometimes even a bit of luck. Whether it's investing in stocks, creating digital products, or building a rental property portfolio, each method has its own set of challenges and learning curves. Educating yourself about financial strategies and understanding the risks involved is crucial. Passive income can be a powerful tool for financial freedom, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and a willingness to put in the necessary work. Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to actively trade your time for it. This doesn't mean you do nothing. It means you put in the work up front to create something that generates income over time, even when you're not actively working on it. One common myth is that passive income is about getting rich quickly. In reality, it's about building sustainable income streams that grow over time. Think about a musician who writes and records a song. They release it online and people start streaming it. Every time someone listens, the musician earns a small royalty. This income is passive because the song continues to generate revenue even when the musician isn't actively performing. Other examples include online courses, YouTube channels with ad revenue, or an ebook sold on Amazon. Section 4. The truth about time and effort. The biggest misconception about passive income is that it's easy. Building a successful blog, YouTube channel, or online business takes significant effort, especially at the beginning. You need to create high-quality content, market your work, and engage with your audience. It also takes time. You won't get rich overnight, but with persistence and dedication, you can create something that generates income for months or even years to come. Section 5. Your first steps toward passive income. As a teenager, you have a unique advantage time. Start by exploring your interests. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? Maybe you love photography. You could start a photography blog or offer photography services online. Enjoy writing? Create an ebook or start a blog. The key is to choose something you enjoy and are willing to put in the effort to learn and grow. Section 6. The emotional roller coaster from doubt to triumph. The journey to passive income isn't always easy. It's a path filled with unexpected twists and turns, much like a winding road through a scenic landscape. You might start with enthusiasm, but soon realize that the road ahead is more challenging than you anticipated. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. There will be times when the frustration feels overwhelming, and you might find yourself staring at a computer screen, unsure of the next step. You might even feel like crumpling up your plans and throwing them away. There will be times when you question your abilities and want to give up. It's natural to feel this way, especially when you're working on something new and challenging. During these moments, it's important to take a step back, reflect, and seek guidance from mentors or peers who can offer support and advice. But it's important to remember your why. Why did you start this journey in the first place? What motivated you to take the first step? Reconnecting with your initial inspiration can reignite your passion and drive. Why did you start this journey in the first place? Was it to achieve financial freedom, to create something meaningful, or to prove to yourself that you can succeed? Whatever your reasons, keep them at the forefront of your mind. What are you hoping to achieve? Visualize your goals and the impact they will have on your life. Discuss your plans with friends or family and work together to stay motivated and focused. Keep those goals in mind and celebrate your small victories along the way. Each small win is a testament to your hard work and dedication. High-five your friends, celebrate as a group, and give yourself a thumbs up for every milestone you achieve. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Mark your progress on a calendar. Acknowledge your achievements and take pride in the sense of accomplishment that comes with each step forward. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Section 7. Start today, build your future. Building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. Just like training for a marathon, it requires dedication, consistent effort, and a long-term vision. You can't expect to see results overnight, but with each step you take, you're getting closer to your goal. Think of it as a journey where every small action compounds over time, leading to significant outcomes. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The world is constantly changing, and so are the opportunities for generating passive income. By staying informed and continuously educating yourself, you can adapt to new trends and technologies. Whether it's through reading books, taking online courses, or seeking mentorship, every bit of knowledge you gain adds to your arsenal. But the rewards are worth it. Imagine the joy of seeing your efforts pay off, the satisfaction of achieving financial milestones, and the freedom to make choices that align with your passions and values. The journey might be challenging, but the sense of accomplishment and the benefits you reap make it all worthwhile. Passive income can provide financial freedom, flexibility, and the ability to pursue your passions. It allows you to break free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job and design a lifestyle that suits you. Whether it's spending more time with family, traveling the world, or indulging in hobbies, passive income opens up a world of possibilities. So take that first step today. Every great journey begins with a single step, and the path to building passive income is no different. Start by setting clear goals, making a plan, and taking actionable steps towards your vision. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that lead to big results over time. Explore your interests, learn new skills, and start building something amazing. The more you invest in yourself and your abilities, the more opportunities you'll create for generating passive income. Whether it's through real estate, stocks, digital products, or other ventures, the key is to find what resonates with you and pursue it with passion and determination. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams and are willing to put in the work to make them a reality. Dream big, stay committed, and never underestimate the power of perseverance. Your future is in your hands, and with the right mindset and effort, you can build a life that not only meets your needs, but also fulfills your deepest aspirations.